So here are my supplies. I have a candle holder from Rae Dunn. I have a little sign that I got from Stop and Shop. I guess the tag's not on there, but I got it on sale for about $2. And then from the Dollar Tree, I found a fake candle. I also found some ribbon. I used it for something else, but yes, here's the ribbon I'm going to use on the top. Also, some stones, just like blue, like beachy colored stones, as well as some package of seashells. All of this was pretty much from the Dollar Tree. So this is going to be my Dollar Tree beach craft, Rae Dunn inspired. So hang on and I will show you what it looks like. So here's my Rae Dunn inspired beach themed centerpiece. I used, as I said earlier, this sign from Stop and Shop. It was actually on sale for about $2. The candle holder from Rae Dunn, which says Shine, I put in a candle that is battery operated pretty much. And then I put in those stones and the seashells and tied a ribbon. The stones, the seashells, and the ribbon are from the Dollar Tree. And then more seashells down here. If you look, these are actually made with wood and just washi tape. I actually have a tutorial on my blog for how to make these coasters. So if you look, these are just coasters. I will link that below so you can see how to make those. It's pretty easy. It's just washi tape and a piece of wood. And then I used a couple of extra seashells, a starfish. I've had this starfish for a while, to be quite honest. And then another, I believe this is a candle holder. I haven't actually put anything in it yet. I just love the rustic look of it. I'm thinking when I'm in Disney, we get the light up ice cubes. I think I'm gonna throw those in there and see how that looks when we get back from Disney. But this is it. This is the centerpiece right now that I made for the beach inspired summer themed with some Rae Dunn pieces and Dollar Tree embellishments. So hope you enjoyed this. If you want more content like this, please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button below and comment and let me know your thoughts and tell me what your beach inspired Rae Dunn centerpieces look like. Thanks, have a magical day, and talk to you soon. Bye.